Greetings. This is a call for unity in perilous times. My African American brothers and sisters, today I stand before you with a call to action. A call that resonates deep within our hearts and echoes through our shared history. We are at a pivotal moment, one that demands our unity, our strength, and our unwavering commitment to our community. We need 1 million of our people to come together and forge a new path, a powerful voting base that is solely dedicated to meeting our needs. For too long, we have watched as our voices have been diluted in a sea of multiculturalism, where our hard work and sacrifices have been overshadowed by the interests of other people or other groups. We cannot afford to be sidelined any longer. Our community deserves a platform where our concerns are prioritized, our rights are defended, and our aspirations are realized. This movement is about empowerment. It is about creating a space where African American men and women can stand together, united in purpose and vision. We must emphasize that this initiative is exclusive to us, African Americans. We must ensure that our mission is not compromised by outside influences or affiliations with organizations that do not have our best interests at heart. We are calling for an assembly of 1 million voices to start. 1 million hearts beating as one, demanding what is rightfully ours. Together, we can create a formidable voting base that will hold our leaders accountable, advocate for policies that benefit our community, and ensure that our voices are heard loud and clear. Let us remember the sacrifices made by those who came before us, those who fought for our rights to vote, for our rights to be heard. We owe it to them and to ourselves to honor their legacy by standing strong and united. This is not just a call for participation. It's a call for revolutionizing our political landscape. Together, we will strategize, organize, and mobilize. We will educate our community about the importance of voting and the impact it has on our lives. We will create a network of support where every member feels valued, heard, and empowered to make a difference. Let this be the moment we declare that we will no longer be marginalized. We will no longer allow our needs to be overlooked. We will no longer accept the status quo. We will rise together as one and demand our rightful place in political arenas. Women, this is not a woman's thing only. This is a group thing amongst our people. I bring this to you, however, this requires someone who is young, charismatic, knowledgeable of our true history, honest, and without a personal agenda except for unifying and taking our people to a higher level of consciousness and unification as one. I'm too old to do this, but I will lend my expertise in any capacity that I'm needed and participate as a member. If you are thinking about how you can make money through this, these people are not who we need. We have plenty of those organizations out there already. Look at our conditions. No. This should be something totally different where we can get our dignity and leadership back, and where others talk about us as being a group on the move. This is what we need. I have a detailed plan to give to someone that is willing and able to take this mantle up. So I humbly ask you to please repost this and pass it along on all your platforms. And it's my hope that out of this will come someone who we need to pick up this idea and begin this process now. So I urge you, my brothers and sisters, to join me in this mission. Let us come together to build a future where our voices are amplified, our needs are met, and our community thrives. Together, we can achieve greatness. Together, we can make history. And now is the time, not later. Thank you for viewing it.